Hey Treviso fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing one of our newest listings in Treviso Bay. This is located within the Acqua subdivision, Acqua Unit 125, part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here at Treviso Bay. This particular floor plan is the Antonia floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. You get a 1-car covered carport spot, and you also get a full golf membership to TPC Treviso Bay. Let's run inside and take a look. On the right hand side is your kitchen area. You've got your eating kitchen spot here, pantry, full appliance package, granite countertops, and this all overlooks your great room area here. This home is being sold turnkey, so all the furnishings, pots, pans, forks, spoons, knives, all those things are going to be included with the sale. Now here across from the kitchen on the left hand side, you're going to have your guest bedroom here. Notice they ran the tile floor extension into this instead of carpet, so that's a nice little upgrade there. You have your typical bifold style closet, and directly across from the guest bedroom is your guest bath with your singular sink, your commode. You've got your tub and shower combo, and this is also consequently where you have your laundry space here with some additional shelving on top for extra storage. Now coming back towards the main area here, first here you've got some bar seating, so plenty of space here right off the kitchen counter for additional seating, and then you have your dining space here as well. And then turning around here and focus on your living space here, nice open living space, looking over your views of the Rookery Bay Preserve. And then you have your master here in the back, also with the tile extension here, so no carpet in this unit, nice and bright. That's a king size bed, just for perspective. You're going to have 2 closets in here, your his and hers style closets. There's closet number 1 there. And then on the opposite side here, closet number 2. And then last but not least here, you've got your master bath with a standalone shower here, the singular sink and the toilet. You also do have a linen closet here in the master bath as well. Last but not least, we have our exterior lanai space here. Really beautiful, serene views of the Rookery Bay Preserve here. And ultimately you will get some nice sunset views off to the corner there. All right, folks, so this is Acqua Unit 125, now available for sale. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we thank you for watching.